It's a parade put together by helping others during the holiday, led off tonight in Pittston. The city was lit up this evening for the annual toy truck parade hosted by the Downtown Pittston Partnership and Froggy 101. Dozens of decked out trucks rolled down Main Street, each glowing with festive displays. Santa also made a grand appearance at the end of the ride.
I love coming out here. It's a good time to see the community, to spend time with family, meet your neighbors, and support our local artists too. There's a lot of vendors here, and we're all excited to kind of really support everyone and be in the community.
The event drawing nearly 1,000 people to the city's downtown here in Luzerne County.